Hey, so we've had a couple of calls just with all the talk of the virus and people shutting down and not wanting to make contact here locally in Wichita Falls. If you've got a vehicle with us and you're worried about making your payments, don't want to actually come in because we are at normal business hours right now. We do have an online payment option. We've had this for years, but if some of you don't know about it or how it works, you just go straight to our website at browningsreliable.net. When you come to this main homepage here, you can just scroll down and there's this make a payment option here. You select that. It's going to take you directly to the payment portal, and you can use your credit or debit card. It gives you all the fields to fill in the information for the account and the payment, and then it's also going to have an option for an email address for the receipt to go to. At the same time you get a receipt, we will also get a receipt. We print out a hard copy here in the file and enter it into your account. If for some reason you don't want to or don't have access to a computer to do this, still want to use a credit or debit card, we do have a machine here in the office. We'll be glad to run it for you. Just give us a call, 940-696-2277. We can take all that information from you over the phone and do this same thing. So if you got any questions about it, just let us know. Have a great day.